Yep.
Why she sound cool? Where's Greg?
Not watching playing handball.
I was right.
I won the blame from that.
What?
I was right. John asked me where Greg was. Don't play hell. Yeah.
Oh.
Good. Good shot. Come on. Play it. Go.
Ben, move.
Go. Shot. Wait, you got one.
Back to center.
Get that.
Poke that ball. Yay, Carly. Kick pass.
Go over.
Make it 5. I want to go Pele on that one.
I got one. Blow that up. Right, Scott. Come on, Scott. You got time. Good block. Good job, Sean. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Oh, they scored and it was the awesomest goal ever.
No.
Get that.
Nice, Rob. Nice. Clear that, Rob.
Through it. Get on there. Run up.
No, don't say anything important. You like that.
Back. Do it, Eric.
Waiting for you to
You got it. Good job, Scott. Good job. You're really
Nice
good.
job, Carly.
Good. Clear. You got that. Keep up. Good shot. Watch out, keep it. Play up. Stop, Sean. Good stop. Take your time. Yeah, not so well.
Wow, that made me look bad. Made me look good and I haven't played yet.
Good job. Keep it up, guys.
I feel bad. Oh! Ooh, that's tough.
Get on there. Good job. Take your time. Nice. Good shot.
Take it, Carly.
Get there. Trust. Get there. Fight for it, Scott. Fight. Go.
That guy is so fucking tall.
Good job, Scott. Keep it up.
Always. No, we didn't want to get up there. We were going to go earlier.
Go. Take your time. That was good. Yeah. You see him out here also? You guys look exactly alike. Hammer. Knock it back. I'm sorry, I swear. Look,
What's exactly like? Her and Sam? Is there a Sam? There's a Sam somewhere.
The second one. The one that's got the same colored pants. You guys do look alike, actually.
Wait. Oh, wow. I don't see it. But I don't know either of them all that well, so. I'm a twin, so I can see things. Yeah. Twin things.
Come on.
Give it back to the goalie.
Get there, Rob. Get on there.
Come on, Ty. You suck. He just doesn't care. He's like, look at me, I'm this 5 times. Broomball.
Come on, Ben.
He kind of lumbers around. He walks like this. He's like, me hit ball hard. Those goalies actually decent.
Must feel good.
So we wear his will down.
We'll get there.
Rob, beat it like a redheaded stepchild.
I'm trying!
Why would you discriminate against redheads?
Yeah, dude.
Just beat it like a stepchild. Harris.
Beat it like a child not listening. That's how you should beat it.
Beat it like an egg. Use a fork.
Or a whisk.
I whisk you.
Ooh.
Good job, Sean. Thank you. Drop.
Take it, Drew. Take it to the house.
Come on, man.
Katie, do you have fire
Down, guys.
under Rob's butt?
Coming. Yeah, keep it up. Sorry about this man. Back.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that someone would have went in too.
Yeah.
It was like,
I would have laughed if she scored the first goal. That would have been great.
Or not. That's cool.
Carly. Come on, Carly. Nice, Carly, nice.
that guy's mean, Carly.
Nice, Carly. Come on, Ben, you gotta get in front of that.
Holy.
Rob, I'll chase you around the ice with this under your block.
What? Drop.
To light the fire under your block.
This guy's a funny. Or just nerd.
I wish I had a fire under my butt. I could feel a small town. On a good
Crap
day.
Smurf community.
Oh, I do a lot of stuff to that Smurf community. A lot of dirty stuff. I hope this is getting recorded.